Welcome. Out of 10,000 individuals working at AHATA member companies, tonight we honor 57 of the best that have been nominated by their employer. The Honorable Minister of Tourism, Mr. Dan-Guillaume Audibert, joins me in thanking each one of them for their excellent service and for their dedication to our visitors. We have 8 awards tonight, and the winners were selected by 3 independent and impartial judges who have joined us tonight. They have interviewed each one of the nominees, and they are focusing on the qualities of each person that they showcased within this interview. And that's how they selected these 8 winners that we will be announcing tonight. It is very important for us, however, for all of you to know that we wish every single one of you to feel special this evening. The 3 impartial judges that have joined us tonight and have helped us with this process are Ms. Barbara Bronswinkle. She has spent many years in the tourism industry and currently is in charge of the regional HR at Aruba Bank. Mr. John Wardlaw, the Dean of the Hospitality and Tourism Management Faculty at the University of Aruba. And Ms. Ahaira Kelly, instructor and mentor at APE Hospitality and Tourism Unit. Thank you. We have a custom-made award again tonight, a very special piece of art created by local artist, Mr. Gilbert Senchi. These will be presented by last year's winners. So we have last year's winners with us also tonight who will be presenting the award. And our Minister of Tourism will also present one of the new categories this evening. Before I leave the stage and allow you to enjoy dinner, I want to thank our sponsors because, of course, without our sponsors, this evening would not be possible. The Palm Corporation, thank you for the sponsorship, and especially Ms. Irma Bayan. It's Mrs. Irma Bayan's leadership that allows this evening to be so special for us all to enjoy. Thank you to the Ritz-Carlton Aruba for hosting us. Thank you to the Tropical Bottling Company for being our beverage sponsor. High Performance for the production. the Caribbean Mercantile Bank for a special donation to the educational fund. And of course, the AHATA team, Malinda and Vanessa, who also poured their hearts into this event this evening. Thank you all for being there. It's going to be a wonderful evening. Thank you to all these nominees. Let's enjoy dinner.
Well, it's certainly a recognition of the hard work and the efforts of all our associates in the hospitality industry that make a difference day in and day out, build up our tourism and encourage more visitors to come to Aruba. So certainly it's a fantastic event for us to be able to say thank you, to say we appreciate you, to say that your efforts are not going unrecognized, and that we depend on you to continue moving into the future and teaching and developing the young generation to come so that they can become the leaders of the future in our industry.
I ain't got time for you, baby. Either you're mine or you're not. Make up your mind, sweet baby. Right here, right now is all we got. A little party never killed no.
Ladies and gentlemen, our first category tonight is Employee of the Year, Small Company for 2019. And the winner is Lucien Becker, General Accountant at the Mill Resort and Suites. Gentlemen, and now Employee of the Year, Large Company for 2019. The winner is Edmond Bruce Koch. He is the guest service technician at the DV Aruba Phoenix Beach Resort. Our next category this evening is Supervisor of the Year, Large Company 2019. Justine Tasha Cremoni. She is the Executive Administrative Assistant at the Ritz-Carlton Aruba. The winner of AHATA Manager of the Year Small Company for 2019 is Shadish Dailani from Diamonds International. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome back to the stage Tisa Lasor, CEO and President of AHATA, and let's also welcome Armin Sulocnir, Senior Business Developer from Caribbean Mercantile Bank, for a very special moment. Let's also invite to the stage this evening Emily Incapie, the current President of the Student Body Council representing APE Horeca. Also invite to the stage Sophie Donker, representing University of Aruba. She is a senior at the Faculty of Hospitality and Tourism Management and a summa cum laude student. For the category of Manager of the Year, Large Company 2019. The winner is Edgar Cornet, Assistant Front Desk Manager at the Rio Palace Antilles. next category is Young Tourism Professional 2019. And the winner is Manon Scholte-Leverings, the account executive at the Palm Tours. For our next category, the category of Sustainability Champion 2019, and the winner is Frank Ceballo of the Safety and Environmental Manager at La Cabana Beach Resort and Casino. Our last category is a special recognition for lifetime of service. And the winner is Victoriano Quant from the Hyatt Regency Aruba Resort, Spa and Casino.
Kitong award di indústria hoteleira of di serviço. Dus sempre storia ng meester ta in line com lo quale persona trece na mercado laboral.
E lo que impactata ku gobi di nanta dona serviço di coração, nanta passionari para nanta trabalho. Esse é lo que impressionava bastante de cada indivíduo.
Well, está algo inolvidável. Eu tenho 8 anos trabalhando no Demel Resort and Suites. Eu comecei como estagiária da temporada de escola, com estágio, e depois eu me quedei na pedi back e te ave ainda me tem
Bom, mas tem people skills para bodrenta e área e indústria e não. Bom, mas está persona people's person, bom, mas
Mi consejo para tur jovem que começar em indústria hoteleira tá, assim tur com paixão. Uma vez botem amor para que bota assim, ou para trabalho porque exercer no futuro, bom mas tem amor e paixão para assim essa.
Lo mais importante que sempre carga boa paciência na primeiro lugar e dá que smile sempre, com cara na laira. Mira contento de que ramo botar.
Yeah, me tenho que agradecer a pessoa que ajudou me a chegar nessa aqui. O impacto dessa aqui está sempre for o momento como a nominação, mas bisa o time completo. Tá nominado acaba logro para nós, hobby importante.
I think Aruba has great opportunities to learn a lot in tourism. I think you have great hotels, great organizations to learn the utmost on this island. And there are so many opportunities, so definitely Aruba is a great destination to learn a lot in tourism.
Recibí una recognition para el team de La Cabana. Pasura na merece ser 19 años nos tapos un environmental program all the way. E me está más orgullo de mi team, como me trabaja con un meses sa prometi ko bota gusta. Pasura si new ene no po força bo para un trabalho. E trabalho que bota gusta, lagi tabo hobby, e po hobby me se vira bo profissão. Mas sobre ora é um hobby, eta vira bo profissão, bota vai pa assim é perfeito.
Tudo é hobby não pa, ora pa kunsa, assim o trabalho bom e respeitar o rene, para respeitar bo vai dilante e.
Let's give our nominees and winners a big round of applause.